Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica, one of the most versatile and family-friendly minivans on the market. Whether you're looking for comfort, technology, or safety, the Pacifica offers a premium experience for families and road trip enthusiasts alike. Let's explore everything this vehicle has to offer. Body panels. The 2023 Chrysler Pacifica boasts a modern and aerodynamic design, making it one of the most stylish minivans available. The body panels are crafted from high-strength steel and aluminum, offering durability while keeping the vehicle lightweight. Its sleek, contoured lines not only enhance the minivan's visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency by reducing drag. The available hands-free power sliding doors and liftgate make loading and unloading cargo or passengers incredibly convenient. Headlights. The Pacifica features full LED headlights that provide exceptional clarity during nighttime driving. The automatic high beam assist ensures you always have the right amount of light without blinding other drivers. Higher trims come with adaptive front lighting, which pivots the headlights as you turn, improving visibility on winding roads. This thoughtful design enhances safety while giving the Pacifica a premium, upscale look. Taillights. At the rear, the LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, creating a modern and elegant lighting signature. These lights improve visibility for drivers behind you and add a distinctive touch that sets the Pacifica apart from traditional minivans. The sequential turn signals further enhance visibility and safety, ensuring other drivers can clearly see your intentions on the road. Grille. The front grille of the Chrysler Pacifica varies depending on the trim level. The standard model features a bold chrome-accented grille, while the Pinnacle and limited trims come with a more refined blacked-out design. The honeycomb mesh pattern is not just for aesthetics, it also helps with engine cooling and aerodynamics. This combination of style and function makes the Pacifica stand out in the minivan segment. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted with luxurious, ergonomic seating designed for maximum comfort. The Pacifica offers soft leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and heating and ventilation options. The second-row seats come with Stow and Go technology, allowing you to fold them flat into the floor for extra cargo space. The third-row seats are also power-folding and higher trims, providing incredible flexibility for carrying both passengers and luggage. Dashboard. The dashboard of the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica is a perfect blend of modern technology and premium craftsmanship. It features soft-touch materials, wood accents, and metallic trims, giving the cabin an upscale feel. The 10.1-inch digital instrument cluster provides key driving information, including speed, navigation, and safety alerts. Higher trims come with ambient lighting, adding a touch of elegance to nighttime drives. Infotainment system. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system in the Pacifica is one of the most advanced in its class. It features a 10.1-inch HD touchscreen with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and built-in navigation. The system is incredibly responsive, offering over-the-air updates and personalized user profiles. For entertainment, passengers in the back can enjoy the optional dual-screen rear seat entertainment system, featuring built-in Amazon Fire TV and wireless headphones. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers a premium feel and comes with integrated controls for cruise control, voice commands, and infotainment settings. Higher trims also feature a heated steering wheel, perfect for colder climates. The paddle shifters on sportier models add an extra layer of engagement for those who enjoy a more dynamic driving experience. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2023 Chrysler Pacifica comes standard with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing 287 horsepower and 262 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficiency. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the V6 delivers plenty of power for overtaking and long road trips. The Pacifica also offers available all-wheel drive, AWD, making it one of the only minivans in its class to handle various road conditions confidently. Hybrid option. For those looking for better fuel efficiency, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is a game-changer. It features a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a total output of 260 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid system offers an all-electric range of up to 32 miles before switching to gasoline mode. This makes it perfect for short city commutes while still being capable of long road trips. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery, maximizing efficiency without compromising performance. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The 2023 Pacifica comes with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and driver knee airbags. In the event of a collision, these airbags deploy strategically to minimize impact forces and keep passengers protected. The Pacifica also includes rear seat side airbags, an added safety feature that is rare in this segment. Pricing. The 2023 Chrysler Pacifica starts at approximately $37,020 for the touring trim, offering great value with a host of standard features. The Touring L trim starts around $41,490, adding more luxury touches. The Limited trim, which includes premium leather seats and advanced technology, begins at $50,460. At the top of the lineup, the Pinnacle trim, with all the luxury and safety features available, is priced at $55,210. The Pacifica Hybrid models start at $50,795, offering long-term fuel savings and eco-friendly driving.